G'day, Daniel again from First Class, and today I thought I'd run you through some of the must-haves when it comes to off-road gear. So we'll start off with a helmet. This is the Leatt 3.5 helmet, absolute ripper of a helmet, super lightweight, comfy, also has the 360 turbined technology, which means it just helps with fall damage and head and brain injury when you do come off the bike. Super great helmet, really light, and these ones as well come with goggles included, because goggles are a must-have as well when riding, especially when you're riding behind your mates and they're flicking you with stones all day long. Now to move on, I've got the Altas D30 here. This is a ripper of a neck brace, helps reduce neck injuries by 50% when coming off the bike. Really lightweight, only 365 grams, and super easy to install. All you have to do is just press that button, comes apart, goes around your neck, and you just have two straps that go under your armpits, and that just holds it in place. Really lightweight, really good, but also super safe for those come-offs. Now for body armour, there's a few different options, but I thought today I'd show you the Alpinestars Bionic Action V2. This is a full body armour kit, comes with your full arm protection, all hard shell with a centre zip, but also as well full back protection, which helps with real nasty falls. You know you will be safe and covered. Another good thing about this set though is that it's super lightweight but also super breathable, which means you can hit those hot summer rides without getting too hot, but also feel safe and protected. Now go on top of that, another Alpinestars bit of kit. Got the Alpinestars jersey, super lightweight, super comfortable, and also very quick drying. For those rivers and puddles you know you want to hit, you know you can hit them and be dry within a matter of minutes after riding. And to match that up, I also got the matching set of Alpinestars pants, another ripper pair of pants, super lightweight as well, super comfy, but also have the big enough knees to fit your knee guards, which I'll bring to in a second. These are also quick drying, but also a very strong material and fabric, which means when you do hit the ground, it's not just going to rip super easy. Now about those knee guards, these are the Leatts. A great set of knee guards and something I recommend for every single dirt bike and off-road rider to have on. These are a beast because they stop with movements your knees aren't really supposed to do. So they stop with side to side movement and also hyperextending. This knee guard is perfect for that. Also just keeps your knee in place, and also when you do hit the ground, something hard and solid to protect your knees from those shaly and sharp rocks. And with that bit of comfort, your thigh-high socks. These are also done by Leatt, a great set, super lightweight, super breathable, and they come right up to your thighs, which means none of those straps are rubbing as you're riding. Down the bottom, we'll throw in the Leatt 4.5 boots. These are a ripper set of boots, a bit more on the pricey side, but when it comes to boots, it's so worth it to spend the extra money. And the reason why they're pricey is because they got the buckle and the Velcro to mount the boot. Very premium buckles, very premium Velcro, and it means that nothing is getting through onto that one. But also one of the main key features with these boots is the pivot system, and that is very important for movement. As you can see, you can flex the boot, which is very important when riding because you still want to be able to have that range of motion, but also know that your ankle is not going to be moving around too much in those hardcore boots. They are also top of the shin high, which means you got proper coverage and protection all the way up your shins for those gnarly rides. As well, you also need a set of gloves. Just these are your Alpinestars, a great set of gloves, super lightweight with a bit of protection as well, just to add on that extra bit of safety. As a bit of a bonus, I thought I'd throw in this Leatt hydration pack, something great to carry around. You can carry your tools, your food, but also your water to keep you hydrated and ready to go through all types of riding. So this is my key must-haves and key needs for off-road riding. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We have a few different range of products as well, so what you see, we still have a lot of other ones you can get, varying in price for more budget-friendly, but also a bit more high-class and safer gear. Just please give us a call or give us an email, or even better, come in store, try on the gear, make sure it fits, because that's the most important thing. If the gear annoys you while trying it on, it's got to annoy you while riding the bike. So what we want here at First Class is for you to have the most comfortable gear you can get, but also the safest. But of course, you've got to look dope while riding. Cheers, guys.